inside the dirty dirge. All right, we're heading up to, let's see. Oh, oxygen sensor. I'm going to check out for O2 sensors. The car is reading a couple things like misfire and stuff, which can, you know, go off because of an O2 sensor. And it's saying bank 2 sensor 1, which is basically the front driver's side sensor. And then there's a sensor 2 would be after the catalytic converter. Yeah. So I gotta get the one on the front. Seeing I have long tubes, I will be able to access that. With a little, I can't even speak. Easy. So that's what we're gonna do. Replace that sensor and hope that that's all I really need for now. And I'll dig in and maybe check in the coils and shit like that too. Because I got the blaster pack, you know, MSD. So I'll check into those, which I don't think would be an issue. It's kind of a rare. It can happen, but that's one of the things I'm gonna be dipping into. We'll get there and replace this damn sensor. All right. Weird. I couldn't remember my phone saying that it was supposed to be 85 and, you know, mostly sunny. Yeah. Anyway, we're still gonna do this. Just pull the car into the shop and whatever. But yeah. All right, we got the car up on one side because all I really need is to get on this side, which is bank 2 sensor 1, which is going to be on your driver's side. Bank 1 will be on your passenger side. So remember that, passenger side, bank 1, driver's side is always bank 2 on the 3-valve. But anyway, I gotta get to that sensor 1. Kind of out of breath. I've been jacking this shit up quick, making sure I got everything right where I want it, so in case one jack breaks or something goes, I got a secondary underneath there as well, as you guys can probably see that, in a good location. So I always like to be extra safe. All right, if you guys can see, there's my long tubes. Right there. It's hard to see, but that's your O2 sensor I got to pull out. Bank 2 sensor 1. My other sensor will be back there behind the cat. I can see it's hard to show you guys, but I can see it back there. So yeah, that's what we're pulling out now. Kind of a biatch to get underneath this car because it's lowered. And yeah, but we're gonna get it. Alright guys, I don't have the mic on, but that's the old one. As you can see, it doesn't look pretty. So it's probably not reading right. That's what the code said. Eventually, I'd like to redo all of them in there because they probably all need to be redone. But the one that is reading bad, which is bank 2 sensor 1, has been changed. Hopefully this will help the car. We will see. All right. We got the car back on the ground. Moment of truth. Actually, I'm probably going to reset this scanner. Well, you know, clear the codes and start over, start fresh. I think that's probably what I'm gonna do. Gonna put the key forward. There we go. I know. Oops, sorry about that, guys. I still feel like I'm sitting in the car and I can feel the vibrations of the cam, but you can also notice like a slight sputter. I mean, it's hard for you guys to see. If not, I might have to check the blaster coil, you know, the MSD setup. I still got my stock set up, so I might even throw that back in just to see if it's that. I'm still having issues, still sputtering. Took it out for a drive, thought maybe it would like learn it, maybe whatever, pop off the code. Nope. So I do have a Misfire in cylinder 6. I do have the stock coils to go back on if I have to switch out the MSD. And I just ordered spark plugs for the car, which will be here this afternoon. They're gonna drop them off at the shop. Might be JW or it might be my wife. So one of the two are gonna drop off my plugs here. Well. Everybody's got their own little spark plug they go to. I don't really necessarily go to, but we're gonna put Motorcraft in. As you can see, that's what I had before previously, and yeah, there was some stuff that got down in there. I don't know if it's from the hood or what, allowing maybe rain and stuff down there. Not good, no bueno. But we are going to change these out. This could be a serious problem as well. So, well, obviously. That's not good. Not good at all. As you can see, brand new. Not so brand new. But there's a difference. These are not, they're just, yeah. They need to be changed bad. Alright, almost done here. Well guys, I am actually out test driving the car. It feels a lot better. There's no sputter now. Feels great. Great launch, great get up and go in the beginning. I would sputter until the higher RPM. And we're back. So it's good. Back in business. So we're gonna head back to the shop, give the car a good detail. And that should be it. Wraps it all up. Oh, it feels so much better. Alright. It's hard to tell because I am cammed, but I could tell like there was some sputter in between the cam notes. You know, if that makes sense. Now she sounds pretty good. So yeah, I ended up changing the O2 sensor, which needed changing. Change the spark plugs, took my MSD coil pack off and put the stock one back on just for now. I'm gonna see if there's any difference between the two later, but I wanted to just be better safe than sorry. You know, switch the coil packs back to the stock ones. You know, new spark plugs, which it needed. That's pretty good. Well guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more stuff. Remember, we got a lot more coming to the channel, and possibly another car. So, oh, and also Steven's Challenger, and etc. and etc. Oh yeah, doing good.